So this is a circle. That seems easy.
I can totally do that. Woohoo! This is fun. Hey, be careful. Why would you do that? It was an accident. Two can play that game. Missed me.
Hey, my painting!
Oh no! She did it. Take that. No, what is going on? Okay, that was funny. That's it. No more nice girl.
Hey, quit messing around. I mean it, stop. There's only one thing for it. A challenge. That showed them.
Where are we?
We're going to have some fun. I'm so bored. I'm having a great time.
Yoo-hoo, hey, over here. You know we're here, right?
I've got an idea.
Are you kidding me? I know what to do.
Who threw that? You almost ruined my mustache. I know, draw the poppet. Your time starts now. Let's do this.
I need to think about this. This will be easy. I came prepared. I'm going to create a masterpiece.
Huh? Whoa! Look at that.
Wow, I don't believe it. I better get started. Yeah, that'll do. Here goes. I'll start with a big circle. No, that's not right. Got it. What's next? I need a closer look. It's so simple. I'll start over. I need to draw a square.
This is hard, wait. I have a sneaky idea. Oh, someone is calling me. Hello? This is my chance.
I'm in the zone. I'll add a splash of color here.
The perfect crime. This is going to look amazing. I'll need my paint. I'll squeeze it into the dimples. I'll use different colors.
I can't resist. That feels so good. I wonder how it tastes. Huh? What's wrong? I was just kidding. I have a better plan. I'll use it for my painting. Wow, this is a work of art. Look at this.
I'm kind of busy. I'll paint around the edges. I need to flip it over. This is the fun part. I'll pop all the dimples. Wow, it's wonderful. See ya, huh? Where's my poppet? It was right here.
Oops.
Hey, what was that for?
We've finished.
So have I. What do you think? It's a little rushed, but I'm happy.
Wow, that's incredible.
I guess it's okay.
It's judging time.
I hope you like it.
Interesting. Very interesting. You call that art? My cat could do better.
So, is that a good thing?
No, it's not. This is more like it. Wow, you really mean it? It's okay. I expect better. Whoa, it's glorious.
Did you hear that?
Bravo, great work. It should be in a gallery. But you're the winner. Woohoo! I knew it. Nah.
Are you kidding me?
I'm the greatest. Whew, this is heavy. It's all my savings. Come on, open up. Ugh, this is annoying. Got it.
Whoa, we're rich.
You can get started. Go for it.
I have a good feeling about this. Here goes. Eek! It's on fire. Look at that. It's ruined. I have a great idea. I'll use the money. I'll need a glue stick. This will be some expensive art. Now I can stick it to the paper. I'll need a lot more. I'm enjoying this. What the? It's okay to be jealous. Don't be like that.
Wow, I'd love to be rich. I'm so happy. This is the best.
Is he okay?
Oops, that was embarrassing. I better check my wallet. Oh, is that all I've got? I was hoping for more. Whoa, this is my lucky day. I've hit the jackpot. It's our secret. Shh. I don't believe it. Start drawing. I'll start drawing. Must draw a pretty picture. Can't stop. That's it, time's up. Huh? What just happened? Whoa, that is awesome. How's this?
This won't go well.
Am I supposed to be impressed?
Yeah, I worked hard on it.
I don't like it. Where's the creativity?
Well, you're going to hate mine. I had an accident.
Oh well. Whoa. I've got no idea how I did this. Great job. You deserve a prize. Wow, do you mean it? Nah, it's all mine. But you can't have this. You've earned it. Catch. That's it? Gee, thanks. It's not even real gold. It's chocolate. This is so unfair. How about this? Woohoo, this is more like it.
Gimme, gimme.
My work here is done. Okay, go.
Another tie. Looking good.
Hey, pay attention. I'm going to beat you. Ugh, kids today, hey. It's so loud.
Make it stop.
What did you say? That got your attention. Here's the next challenge.
Whoa, it's a model. I think I'm in love. Just look at him.
I'm scared of the dark. Strike a pose. Take your hands off me. Take that. Let's get this over with. He's such a diva. You can begin.
I don't know what to do. I'll try my best. I've seen artists do this.
Hey, do you mind? Stop blocking me. I'm serious. It's getting annoying.
Whatever.
I'll give it a go. This should be easy. I'll start with his face. It looks nothing like him. I'll try again. That's worse. Okay, this time. Why is this so hard? Uh-oh. I've got something in my eye. Got it.
You're so talented. Hey, this is for you. Call me. What do you say?
A little help? She's got a point. What? Is that a rose? I want out of here. I'm not getting paid enough. I gotta keep going. It's awful. I need more paper.
Huh?
I have to focus.
I want to capture his essence. Oh, yeah. I have an idea. Take a look at this.
I can do this. I hate this. I'm not good under pressure. Whoa, that's a lot of paper. Is it getting hot in here? I need to wipe this sweat off. Uh-huh, I know. I'll press my face onto the paper. Wait, are you kidding me? It's fantastic.
This is for you.
Eek, keep them away from me. Oh, you're too kind. It wasn't me. Time is running out.
I better be quick. I don't have any paper. This will do. That might have been a mistake. Avalanche. She's so messy. I won't give up.
I've finished.
It's just a sketch, but I think I nailed it.
My drawing is much better.
You ain't seen nothing yet. It looks just like you.
Put your pencils down. Let me see your drawings. Is that a joke?
You don't need to be mean. That hurt my feelings.
Very intriguing. It's good, huh? It's okay, I suppose. What's next? Whoa, that is unbelievable.
You like it?
It's exceptional. I love it. You have surprised me. The model will… Whoa! Where did he go? Whatever. I enjoyed that. You all did a great job. I think we're done here. We can go back to class. I love this part.
How does she do that? Let's get back to work. Actually, I have an idea. It's prank time. I need gum. Why would you do that? It was him. Think that's funny, huh? Ouch, that hurt.
Bring it on. Seriously? Not again.